Boeing and Airbus have historically been the two largest commercial aircraft manufacturers globally. Boeing dominates North America, and Airbus has a significant presence in Europe and some other parts of the world. Now, changes in the market share or new aircraft orders can obviously affect the stock prices for both Boeing and Airbus. At the moment, the serious manufacturing issues plaguing Boeing has resulted in upside for Airbus shares. Have a look now at the strong seasonal gains that we've been seeing for Airbus since March. You can see a very marked upside. You've also got a bullish flag pattern here that's just breaking out. So with this bullish flag pattern just breaking out there and a nice strong uptrend pushing higher, this does look very, very significant. If you look at this as the breakout level, that's the flagpole, that's the flag. You could potentially look for a further run up, moving up to 178 and beyond. So Airbus has clearly been enjoying a nice uptrend. The seasonal pattern for Airbus is also very strong as we come into this quarter. The largest gain has been over 35%, nearly 40% in 2020. Average return 4.17% and a median return of 5.25% between April the 9th and June the 8th. So is this seasonal pattern going to play out again this year? And does that make it worth buying the dip in Airbus shares with Boeing still struggling regarding its manufacturing issues? Sign up here for thousands of more seasonal insights just waiting to be revealed. The major trade risk with this, and all outlooks have risks, this is no exception, the major trade risk here is that new emerging trends in the aerospace industry, such as demand for new aircraft, technological advancements, environmental regulations and competitions from emerging markets, can all influence the stock price of both Boeing and Airbus. Remember, don't just trade it, seize an exit.